So I've been asked a lot, what do I use to clean stainless steel? And it's always, everybody's always so frustrated. And honestly, I understand. Stainless steel is super duper annoying to clean, but it can be done, and it can be done well. So I have this guy, and I normally don't buy, I'm like a vinegar and Dawn soap kind of girl. I don't buy a lot of products, but this stuff is really good. It protects and preserves, resists fingerprints, and this is the important part, it's oil based. So stainless steel, the way to clean off those fingerprints and all of that is to clean it with an oil based cleaner. If you don't have this, it's like $5 at Home Depot, Amazon, blah blah. But if you don't have this, you probably have olive oil. So all you got to do, if you have olive oil, and I like olive oil just because it's not thicker, like it's not as thick as like Crisco or like canola or vegetable oil. For whatever reason, I prefer the olive oil for stainless steel. So all of you would do is just kind of like dab the olive oil and then wipe with the grain of the stainless steel. So if your stainless steel goes upwards, and you'll see it, you see the little lines, then you go upwards and you clean it. If your stainless steel goes sideways, then you clean sideways. Once you clean with the olive oil or your stainless steel cleaner, oil-based stainless steel cleaner, then you go ahead and buff it out with a dry part of a microfiber. Microfiber works better. I've used cotton, I've used like those cotton terry towels. They're all right. They kind of like streak up, and paper towels do work sometimes, but paper towels seem to leave like lint behind. I'm not a fan of that, so because then that means I gotta re-clean again. So I like microfiber. Try to find maybe something for electronics or glass. Like I don't have that today because she provides me all of the cleaning supplies that I need in this house. But yeah, so a little bit of olive oil goes a long way. And if you don't think it's going to be enough, only focus on where the fingerprints are, or where there is a stain, or where there is dirt, and clean that with the grain, or the grain, whichever way it goes, and then buff it out. And then you're going to see a clean finish. Let me show you. I've already done the top part, and that's why it looks so nice. But the bottom part, let me show you from this angle, has a lot of fingerprints. And I should have not cleaned it because they literally like smeared their hands all over the top part. There were tall people that stayed. I saw them, only know that because I saw them when they were leaving. But yeah, as you could see that, right? So I'm gonna show you the non-chemical method with the olive oil, okay? And go all the way to the end because you need to be even and not have any streaks. Do you see how the grain goes that way? That's why I rub that way. Okay, let me back up and let's focus. And you could clearly see, I hope. Let's play with the light here. But the top is clean and we still have fingerprints on the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and you're not gonna spray the appliance, you're gonna spray your microfiber directly. And you're gonna go with the grain. This grain here goes side to side. Makes all the difference. The lighting in this house is terrible, I'm sorry. But I hope you could see the before and after. And it's streak free. So now I'm gonna buff it out, meaning I'm gonna clean with a dry side. And I'm just gonna take off all the excess ingredient, like all the excess cleaning product. And voila. streak free and clean.